Shall we have breakfast together?
Beyond the basics, what is the difference between antivirus, EDR, and XDR cybersecurity protections? Traditional antivirus is like a guard at the gate, checking IDs. It uses signatures to catch known threats, but what about the new ones? Enters EDR, cybersecurity, endpoint detection and response. It not only checks the IDs, but also monitors behavior, catching threats that don't match the usual patterns. This is where we get artificial intelligence, and it comes into play. Now we have enter XDR, extended detection and response. It takes it further, integrating multiple layers across your network, cloud, and endpoints, offering a comprehensive view and faster response. With EDR, I am monitoring the east and the west telemetry across your endpoint. With XDR, I'm monitoring the north and the south telemetry on your network. So with all that being said, with cyber threats evolving, isn't it time your defenses did too?